Wow! It looks like there's a party going on under the ocean. I wonder what creatures we can find. Will you join me? Who's that hiding on the ocean floor with 5 long arms? Peekaboo! Hello, starfish! Starfish! Who's that scuttling across the ocean floor? Peekaboo! Hello, crab! Crab! Who's that swimming in the ocean with a hard shell? Peekaboo! Hello, turtle! Turtle! Who's that wobbling around in the ocean water? Peekaboo! Hello, jellyfish! Jellyfish! Who's that diving in the waves of the ocean? Peekaboo! Hello, dolphin! Dolphin! Who's that swimming past the coral reefs in the ocean? Peekaboo! Hello, fish! Fish! Who's that swimming in the ocean with razor-sharp teeth? Peekaboo! Hello, shark! Shark! Who's that wobbling around the ocean with 8 long tentacles? Peekaboo! Hello, octopus! Octopus! Who's that splashing his tail in the ocean waves? Peekaboo! Hello, whale! Whale! I hope you've enjoyed our ocean party. Thanks for coming along. See you again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more fun videos with Love to Learn.